Get 0.01 bonus on your PayPal. You'll receive it instantly. Good day, and this is Arn Abantaw and welcome to my channel. For today's video, meron ako na-discover na bagong gaming application, itong CashDuck. And bago tayo magpatuloy sa gaming application, data collection consent, which is i-accept natin sa CashDuck application, and kaka-install ko pa lang, and we're going to find out kung madali nga ba tayo dito kumita. And you will see PayPal ang ating withdrawal method. Play games and earn money. Tap lang natin si start. Welcome. Get 0.01 bonus on your PayPal. You'll receive it instantly. Oh, kaka-open ko pa lang sa gaming application na to, and merong ibinigay na 0.01 bonus sa PayPal. Tap ko si okay, and nakaturo dito sa $0.01 sa PayPal, which is 325. And it says here, please enter your PayPal account email. Ilalagay ko muna yung aking email, and we're going to find out kung marireceive ko agad ito. And na-enter ko na yung aking PayPal email, and tatap ko na si submit. And processing na yung aking 0.01, and andito na sa history. And bago yan, ay babalikan ko na lang. Pupunta muna ako dito sa account. And to earn to this gaming application, meron ako balance dito na 320 payout history, tapos si payout. Ang ating payout dito is start from $0.01, which is 325. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dyan, coins or what. Kasunod is $0.05. Pwede tayo dito kumita ng $0.01 hanggang $15 with the coins ba yung tawag dito. Nakikita nyo dito sa baba, minimum payout 0.01. Yan. Bisa na ipakita ko sa inyo, ang ating minimum payout dito is very reachable, $0.01 lang. And ang pinakamalaki is $15. And punta ko dito sa account, and you will see meron tayo ditong earn money. To earn to this gaming application, tatap ko lang to say earn money, and tatap lang si allow, and play games, get free reward. Ang gagawin natin dito is that magpe-play tayo ng games and get the free reward, and game play win. All we have to do is that tatap lang po natin si agree and continue, natin si allow tracking, and release lang po natin yan or toggle on. And dito sa baba, I am aware the possible risks and assume all the possible consequences voluntarily. Check lang to, and tap si okay, and andito na ako sa gaming application, which is this one is a play games earn money. Let's play. Recommended na gaming app dito is that itong Lords Mobile Kingdom Mars, which is this one is malaki. Siguro maghahanap na lang ako or mag-aantay ako ng medyo okay na gaming application, kasi itong Lords Mobile Kingdom Wars is malaki ito eh. Ang gagawin kasi natin dito is that i-install natin to. You have not installed app, explore the catalog app, and pupunta tayo sa Play Store. Yan, 664 MB. I-install natin yan para makapag-earn tayo ng reward dito. Punta sa catalog. Yan, kapag once na ang earning naman natin dito is that 336 per task. Dapat per minute, di ba? So, pwede ka makapag-earn dito per task. So, ito pa lang yung ito pa lang yung recommended na app, which mag-aantay pa tayo. And other one, meron tayong invite. So, invite friend and earn up to 30% their coins, and tap si next. You invite your friend Leo. We pay you 15% earned by Leo, and your friend Leo invites his friend Alex, 15% and 10%. Yan, parang pyramiding siya. And we pay, earned by Leo, earned by Alex, earned by Tom. So lahat ng ganyan nag-refer, makakapag-earn pa din. And invite more friend to earn more money. So pyramiding nga siya. Tatap lang po natin si start. And if interested kayo maglaro sa gaming application, ilalagay ko lang ito sa comment section para direct ninyo ma-download itong gaming application. Yan, meron din tayo ditong QR code. So, tatap lang po natin to or scan lang po natin yung QR code, automatically mada-download natin. or ask friend to use your invitation code on your first launch. Okay, ito yung aking 7141 AF47. Okay, and tapos si history. Okay, and you will see, kaka-open ko lang sa gaming application as of May 15, 2025. Nabayaran ako ng $0.01 na pumasok ito sa aking payout. So, ganoon naman yung price natin paglalaro natin sa gaming application. Hindi naman siya ganoon komplikado, which is mag-play tayo ng application dito or gaming app. Wala pa. So, yun pa lang yung available natin, which is kinakailan natin i-install. Yun nga lang, per task ang bayad natin dito. Sa sunod, update ko kayo in regards to this. Madali nga ba tayo makapag-earn? Maghanap pa ako ng mga application dito na mas madali natin, or per minute, kasi ito is per task. Aalamin pa natin. And this gaming application naman is paying, and naipakita ko rin naman sa inyo yung history. Ito yung payout na pagka-open ko ay nakareceive ako ng this one, 0.01, which is pumasok ito sa aking PayPal email account. Nakapagbigay ako ng na-restore this gaming application na kung saan madali naman tayo dito makapag-earn, and ito yung ating payout and threshold and pinaka-maximum na ma-earn natin sa gaming application na to, which is ang payout ay papasok po siya sa ating PayPal. If you like on this day, thumbs up, like and share. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, click the subscribe button, kalimbay mo na notification bell para updated ka sa pinupload yung video. This is Arn Abantao. Keep on watching. See you on my next update. In regards sa mga free earning app na legit na sinishare sa aking YouTube channel, kung saan itong gaming application na to, pagka-open ko, meron na agad binibigay na $0.01 na kung saan legit itong gaming application. Thank you for watching. And i-open ko si aking Gmail, which is meron na notification from serviceinternationalpaypal.com to my name from the gaming application na Kasdak. Ito, Tower Limited has sent you a $0.01. You receive payout from Kasdak application. Again, ang nag-send sa akin ng payout is came from Kasdak application na kung saan paying and legit itong gaming application na to. And makikita nyo naman dito yung transaction in regards sa payout, which is this one serve as a bonus na kung saan pagka-open ko sa application, meron agad sila offer na $0.01 na kung saan itong gaming application paying and legit. If you want to play this gaming app, ilalagay ko na lang sa comment section para directly din yung ma-download itong application na Kasdak. Thank you for watching.